The beating heart of this application is the Watchlist. This is where you can build the data that helps you to find the connections to lost legacies, by adding the names of immediate relatives up to and including your great-grandparents. You will notice that in the previous demonstration, we have already added the father of Peter Brown from the search page. Now, we can add further relatives directly to the Watchlist from here. Let's add his mother. You can continue to add names to the Watchlist manually in this fashion, or you can use the GEDCOM import facility to add names from an existing genealogy application you may be using. Open the Import dialog and select the file from your computer. Click Read File, and you will be presented with all of the names in the file. The next step is very important. Select your own name as the root of the family tree, in this case, Peter Brown. Click Find My Relatives. If you have already added names to your Watchlist, you will see them grayed out in the list, so they will not be imported. Finally, click Add Surnames, and the consequential import will populate your Watchlist with these names, together with the correct relationships to you. In my next tutorial, I will discuss the family tree feature of the application.